I have started a profit and loss sheet. So the stocks I gave you guys this week, I have put the winners and losers down. I put the percentages that was made and the percentages that were lost. We started this on August 12th. It is August 18th. As you can see, from August 12th all the way to December 31st, this is how long this sheet is going to be. At the end of the year, I'm going to show you guys if I was profitable or not. In other terms, if you should listen to me or not. We'll know in August, 5 months, if I'm profitable or not. All right. And I am profitable. So, hey, every single week I'm going to be posting. I'm going to be showing you guys my wins and losses. And we're going to add it up on a stock sheet. And bro, whatever happens, happens. If I'm actually good at this, I'm good. If I'm not, remember, I'm gonna keep back testing. So it's like, this is impossible for me to be bad at if I just keep back testing. But anyways, let me shut the fuck up and wait. As you can see, this week alone, I took 6 losses, but I also took 3 wins. Now, why am I in profit? 646%. The wins are bigger than the losses. Bro, I'm trying to tell you. That's all it is, risk management. But anyways, let's go over the losses. Actually, let's go in order. MRK. And you guys can see I'm not bullshitting, so you guys can go back on my YouTube channel and actually see that I give you guys these plays and told you to enter here, right? But anyways, what did I say on here? There's a daily fair value gap. We're on MRK. I said there's a daily fair value gap. Okay, we went instantly to the 15-minute. We do not care about the 4-hour, 1 hour. 15-minute for fair value gap, right? Now, what I should have noticed that, okay, there's more liquidity here, right? And there's a fair value gap here. But as you can see, my entry was way better than that. I barely got in, right? I barely got in. And I said my take profit was up here at this 15-minute liquidity. I'm like, I'm already up 1.63%, so there's no reason for me to be greedy and say, oh, I need 200%. Just take profit. As you can see, I wrote it down. We are up 1.63. So much I made. Let's go to WM. WM. As you can see, this was not a winner. I said there's a daily gap. There's a 15-minute fair value gap. We entered. Boom, we got stopped out for 41%. Let's go here. There you go. Let's go to AZN. AZN. Well, AZN's at all-time highs. Let's wait for a 15-minute breaker structure to the downside. What does this do? Break structure to the downside. Boom. Clean break. So we entered at this blue candle. Stop loss above the highs. Take profit at the gap, or it could have been here, right? But I said at the gap. And we just banged. 0.82. There you go. TSM. TSM. Yeah, daily's bearish. We're looking for shorts. Daily was actually bullish, so I don't know why I said that. Oh, I said sweep of liquidity, 15-minute breaker structure to the downside. Boom. As you can see, it went in my direction for a little bit, and then we got stopped out for 0.47%. TSM 0.47. Mark that down. AMD, guys, in the Discord called Trader Rounds, the Discord I am affiliated with. I said August 13th, Rizzy Trades asked me, what's your thoughts on AMD? Boom, August 14th, I replied. I'm like, this is what I think, G. All right, look at this. August 14th, 4-hour fair value gap. I said that's a good entry. But if you want an even better entry, enter at this 15-minute fair value gap. Okay? And I said my take profit was at the daily highs. Now, let's go back into the charts. This is AMD, guys. AMD. Look at that. Look at that, guys. 4-hour fair value gap entry, just like the photo, right? Just like the photo. This is just like the photo. Remember, it was on this August 14th. So on this blue candle, I was like, this is our entry. What did we do? We tapped into the fair value gap, 4 hour fair value gap, and we also hit the 15-minute fair value gap. And so what did I do? I automatically entered stops below the gap. Then I was just like, I'm so confident in this trade that I'm gonna just let it hit take profit. What does it do? Smashes take profit. How much did we make? 6.18%, bro. 600% on one trade. That is insane. My boy, you put in $1,000, you would have made $6,000. It's that easy. It's not that easy. I mean, that was rare. You know what I'm saying? Like, if he didn't ask me what my thoughts were, I probably would have never saw that trade, right? But that's why you got to trade with other people. I'm not saying follow them or be like, oh, yo. Like, I don't know, bro. We both have our own analysis. That's it. But anyways, we made 6.18%. Now did I write it down? Of course, 6.18. We made 863%. Okay, let's go to XOM. XOM, daily's bearish. Boom. We got stopped out for 32%. That is fine. But as you can see, it went my way. What can I say? Nothing. It just went my way. That's it. We got stopped out though. Minus 38% or 32%. There you go. 0.32. Let's go to SBucks. SBucks. Okay, guys. I said, oh, it gapped up. Let's wait for a retrace to the gap. So I'm like, okay, 15-minute break of structure, order block entry. Take profit was at the gap. Did that even happen? No. I got stopped out immediately, right? 0.29% we lost on that trade. Let's go here. 0.29 was lost. Let's go to Oracle. There's massive daily fair value gap. I'm like, oh, price is gonna fill this. I waited for a 15-minute break of structure to the downside, which we got on that candle. And then boom, price gapped up and we got stopped out for 0.24%. So yeah. Right here, 0.24%, wrote it down. ABBV. I said this was at all-time highs. Let's wait for a 15-minute break of structure to the downside. Boom, we did. 15-minute fair value gap. I'm like, okay, we're gonna hit this. Entered at the fair value gap. Take profit was at this low. Did that happen? It went in my way, right? It went in my way, and we could have made 33% or 48%, right? But I was like, you know what? It's got to hit my level. Boom, did it hit my level? No, it didn't. And they forced us to get stopped out. 0.44% loss. We put that down. So in total, I lost 217%, but I also made 863%. So that puts me up of a grand total of 646%. And that's only in 1 week. So, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully next week it can be way better. I only traded 3 days this week. This is 3 days of trading this week. This is not 5 days. This is 3 days. So next week I'll become better. You know, I'm gonna post every single day more consistently, and that's what it is. But yeah, man, I'm just starting this journey because it's like at one point it has to be done. I can't just be putting it off anymore. I just built a system where I can actually focus on this and show you guys actual real results. You know what I'm saying? So with this spreadsheet, it keeps track of our wins, losses. It adds them up, so I don't have to do that. And I can put the ticker symbols in, so I can just instantly go back and say, okay, this is on this ticker we lost, on this ticker we won. But I started this week, so we'll start at the beginning of the week, August 12th. Boom, there you go. Now, from August 12th to December 31st, man, I want to see what happens. Because I'm taking these trades on my live account too. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm up like a significant amount, bro, this is gonna change my life. I'm gonna connect my Webull to my trading view, and then I'm gonna just show you guys there. So you guys gonna see the full broker login thing and everything else, man. So you guys gonna see when I entered, when I lost, when I won, This is not no bullshit. I can't be bullshitting to you guys no more, bro. Like this past 2 or 3 months, I would get in a trade and I would instantly lose, and I wasn't being honest. I would just be like, oh yeah, I just lost, but I wouldn't show the loss because the loss would be like 80%, even though the loss was supposed to be like 20%, 30%. So it's like I'm done lying. I need to become authentic, right? I am authentic. That's what it is. But when I won, I was so happy to show you guys. But then when I lost, where was that? I was not excited. I was like, bruh, I really got to tell them I lost. Now it's like I'm holding myself to a higher standard because it's like if I actually want to become successful, authenticity. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna connect my Weeble to this. All right, I'm actually gonna take losses now. I'm not gonna be like, oh, it's gonna go in my direction. Let's hold another 2 weeks. If I win, I win. I lose, I lose. You got to become a robot in this. If you let your emotions get in the way, you will never become successful. Emotions are like bad, negative emotions. Nah, it's not it, bro. But this is gonna change my trading career because, like, once I do this, it's not going back, bro. But anyways, I'm gonna keep doing this every single week. You guys are gonna see every single little thing that happens. So I took a total of 9 trades. I won 3 out of 9 trades. That puts me up 33%. As you can see, bro, you don't even have to win 50% of the time. I won 33% of the time, and I'm still up. Because I understand risk management now. You don't have to have a high win rate. You just have to have risk management, and that's it. Your stop loss, boom, you only lose 40% to 20%, but your wins are 50 to 100%, even more. It's like, which are you gonna take? You know what I'm saying? But I'm out. Y'all have a good one. I'm gonna start every single day, every single week I'm posting, bruh. Alright? Every single week. I'm not missing a week. I'm not missing a day. I missed 2 days this week. This is the last time. The last time. I promise. If I actually want to get better in life, I gotta do it every day, bruh. I've been living too comfortably. I'm back on my grind. GMR Trades. The other channel. Shit, I don't give a fuck about the other channel, bro. This means way more to me than my other channel. I'll be honest, bro. You wonder why? Because I started this first, bro. And y'all gon' see the rise of me. Right? And hopefully, if you're still watching, bro, just clip this, bro, and post it on TikTok. That's all you gotta do, bro. I'm out.